What's good, YouTube? It's your boy S back again with another video. In today's video, we'll be doing pretty much like a POV story time on how it is being 18-year-old and on a Camaro SS. Y'all like walk around, exhaust, all that. This exhaust is not stock, by the way. It's not even stock. It's nowhere near stock. You know what I'm saying? But when I got this car, it was all stock. Like you really see, I really haven't did customization to it really. But all I really touched was window tint and exhaust. Painted the caliber red, and I added red at the market paddle shooter. This is a 8-speed, not a 10-speed or not a manual. But y'all stay tuned to the video. Make sure y'all guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let's do it. So, okay, being 18 and older than a Camaro SS. You know what I'm saying? As I was saying, my car is catless. Well, I didn't say it was catless, but my car is catless. I started off with a muffler delete. You know what I'm saying? And it wasn't loud enough, you know. And I have homies with like catless cars, so you know, if your homeboy is catless and you're not catless, you're not gonna be able to hear your car. Well, that's how my case was. Like I wasn't able to hear my car. You feel me? So I was like, yeah, I gotta make it louder. So I started with my Camaro. We got 4 cats. So I started with my secondary cat delete first. No, I did muffler delete first, and then second I did my secondary cat delete. And that's when after that I was like, yeah, it's not loud enough. So I ended up doing my primaries. You feel me? And like, I do not regret how this thing sounds. You feel me? And it just sounds amazing. All right, I'm gonna give y'all guys a little downshift, you know. Like y'all hear that thing, right? She sounds mean, you know what I'm saying? And just like, I'm gonna like ease in the gears, like I'm not gonna floor it. Cause like I said, this car is catless straight pipe and it's loud as fuck. And for my muffler delete, I had to get a kit. So I got PLM, I got a PLM axle back in the rear. You feel me? We got some loud downshifts. Shit sounds crazy, right? Not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. This thing sound like a monster. This thing is a beast. Like I said, I had got this car at 18. I'm currently 21, so it's like I had this car at 3 years. Like 3 years and like a month, I think. I had this shit like 3 years and a month. And a lot of people think when you buy a car, all you gotta do is put gas in it. Nah, that's not the case. You do not just have to put gas in the car. I wish that's how it was, but it comes with a lot of fucking maintenance. Right, a lot of folks don't say that part. It comes with a lot of maintenance, like tires, brake pads, coolant, spark plugs, fucking a lot of stuff. You know what I'm saying? It comes with a lot, bro. And like, I want y'all to realize that when you get these cars, you're gonna have to worry about maintenance. You know what I'm saying? It don't matter what car you get. I mean, I recommend everybody getting something that's got warranties on it, or if it don't come with warranty, get a warranty, because you never know when something might go bad. You feel me? They're just playing safer out, because these cars, bro, things can get expensive very fast. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes you can have one problem that lead to another. You know what I'm saying? You can have a small problem that causes a big problem. You feel me? And like, I want y'all to understand that this is not easy. You have to really stay down, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you're doing everything right, you know, so you can keep the car, you know, in one piece, or just keep the car in general. But I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I'm driving. And by the way, this is a 2016 Camaro 2SS. This car takes 93 gasoline. I tend to only run 93 in this car, but like, that's not even full throttle. That's not even full throttle, chat. like this car take 93, so gas can get really expensive. I don't put fucking 87 in here. They don't recommend you put 87 in here, but that's just something you should have never do. You shouldn't never put 87 in a geek car, you know. Yeah, just don't do it, you know. Run 93 or better. Not 93 or better. Run 91 if you don't have a choice but to run 91. Run 91 or better. Put it like that. You feel me? Because I'm telling you, that 93 is gonna have your car running strong. It's gonna have your car running real strong, dude. Not even lying. Get on the gas a little bit. It's and like when you go catless, you can smell it, dude. It smells like a race car. And if you don't know what that smells like, just think of it smells like fuel. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna pick y'all back up. Oh yeah, and another thing to talk about the insurance. My insurance was $700. I had to put down $1,000 just to start the account or whatever. That's $1,000 for that. That was insane. That was pretty insane, but I had already had money saved up, prepared for any foolishness. You know, just for like that. And then after I did that, my insurance was $700 a month. But like, I don't even gotta do too much for this shit, bro. And it's just like the Camaro got so many different modes. They got tour mode, track. No, they got tour mode, sport, track, snow and ice. You feel me? And track mode is super geek. You feel me? Like, you barely gotta press the gas. Like, I'm gonna show y'all. You barely gotta press the gas, and you'll get up to speed pretty quick. You feel me? That's it. This thing sounds so nasty, bro. I wish I can get y'all some outside clips, but I kind of don't have a cameraman. You feel me? Yeah, just stay tuned. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all guys a goddamn something like a hard pull. Oh damn, we got lawnmowers right there, Brody. I was gonna straight send this motherfucker. Ready? Wait. I messed up, chat. I messed up. Cause I didn't know what kind of car that was right there. I messed up. Y'all ready? Let's do it. Y'all ready? Oh my God, she's nasty. She's nasty, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro. If y'all want y'all a Camaro, bro, I recommend y'all get one. They light, they very quick. You know what I'm saying? Acceleration quick. They just have lower horsepower, you know what I mean? But they quick off the line though, bro. I'm not gonna lie. They quick off the line, you feel me? But like, other than that, bro, I do not regret buying this Camaro. You know what I'm saying? I just love them, bro. And like I said, my dream car is a ZL1. At the time, I could have got a ZL1, but I wasn't patient enough, so I got an SS, you know, man, two SS, and this is a convertible. The story on that, why I bought a convertible is, somebody bought the hardtop the same day, bro. Like, I was gonna go buy the hardtop, literally the hardtop. But at the time, somebody was buying it, so it's left me with this choice. Now they had a Camaro 50th anniversary edition for like $50,000, and I'm like, nah, I'm not paying $50,000 for SS. You feel me? Like, if I pay $50,000, I might as well just go get a ZL1 and go ahead and pay the 60 or 65. You know, 70 tops. But that's really the story, you know what I'm saying? The life of owning a Camaro at 18, you know. So that's it. Make sure y'all guys like, comment, and subscribe, turn on post notifications for other updates. You did. Peace.